dear students, how are you? Hope you are all fine at your home and doing studies well. Now students, today I am going to tell you about subtraction. You have done already the addition worksheets and now today we will do here the subtraction, and that is worksheet 5 is there. From worksheet 5 there is the question number 1. We have done all the subtraction problems in the previous class, but there are some larger numbers whose subtraction we have done here. So students, we will do here the subtraction. In the question number first, subtract 78,321 from 85,230. So students, after from there is written any number which is written first in the subtraction, that is 8, 5, 2, 1, 3, and we will subtract it 7, 8, 3, 2, 1. We will subtract this number from this number. From this number we will subtract this number, and from which we will subtract, this is called as minus number, and this is subtrahend number, which we want to subtract from any number is called as subtrahend number. So students, we will subtract likely as addition, but there is subtraction here, and starting from the ones place digit. Now we will start here. The ones place digit is 3 ones and 1 ones is there in both the numbers. We will subtract 1 from 3. We will subtract 1 from 3. These are the 3 numbers. We will subtract 1 number. Here we will get here the 2. So there are how many ones are there? That are 2 ones. And next place is tens place. In the tens place there is 1 and there is 2. There is given here that subtract 2 from 1. 2 from 1. How do you calculate it? It's not possible. From 1, how do we subtract 2 numbers? Yes, there is a problem. It means we have to carry a number from next place. From the next place, we will borrow here a number. That is, 1 is borrowed from there, then it makes it 1, 1. This is 100. It's carrying here 100, and this is 1 is there. So there is the number 11 here, and there is, if we borrow from this number, there is the number 2. If we borrow, then there is the number 1 here. Is it clear, students? Now we are taking the subtraction from 11. We can easily calculate it. 11 minus 2. 2 is subtracted from 11. That equals to 9. Yes, we will write here. Now we will go to the next place digit. There is the number 1 here. This is not here. Is it clear? There is the 1 number and there is the 3 number. Then there is also not possible the subtraction 3 from 1. How do you calculate? No, you can't calculate this number. So we can borrow 1 number from another place digit. That is 100, thousands place digit. From thousands place digit, we will take 1, borrow, and it will make as 11 here. 1,000 and 100. 1,000 and 100. It will make is easily the calculation, and here is also becomes the number 4 because we have borrowed from this number. So we will calculate here that 11 minus 3, that becomes the number 8. 8 3 is 11. Now next number is 4 minus we can subtract 8 from 4 numbers. We can subtract 8 from 4 numbers. There are only 4 numbers. Then how do you subtract 8 numbers? So we can borrow from the next digit. So it has 7 number and one borrowing number is here. This makes as 14. And 14 minus 8, it becomes as 6 here. 14 minus 8. We subtract 8 from 14. We will get here the 6. So there are 6 thousands there. Now we will subtract here the 10,000 place. 7 minus 7. 7 are subtracted from the 7 number. It will become as 0. Yes, it will become as 0 number. So we will get here the difference here. This will be known as the difference. So difference is 6892. Now we will solve this next question. Next question is we have to subtract 42,150 from the 50,000 number. So students, let's check here. This is the 50,000 number and we will subtract here 42,150 from this number. Is it clear, students? Now we have to borrow the numbers and we will make here the number. Now first ones place digit 0 minus 0, that becomes 0. Okay students, but you are seeing here that 0 and 5 is there. 0 and 5 is there. So from 0 can you calculate the number? No. We can't calculate the number from the 0 number. So we will borrow from that previous place. But there is also the 0. Next place, there is also 0. Now come to the next place. And this becomes 1, 4. And this becomes 10. And this becomes 10. And this becomes 10. We will borrow from these numbers. And there is the number. Yes, there is the number 10 here. Now we will take from this number. This is 9 here. We will take here from this number, then it becomes, we will take it as, and this is 9. Now it becomes 9. This is not, okay students, this is not 10 minus 5, that is equals to 5 there. Now there is the number 9 after borrowing the one number from this. We will take here the number that is 9 minus 1, that equals to 8. Now again this becomes as 9 number. This becomes 9 minus 2, that is 7 here. And we have here the number 4. 4 minus 4, that equals to 0. This answer is here. Now students, this is the difference here. Now we will solve all the questions like this method. We will take another question that we will subtract this from this number. We are taken here the same number 7, 9, 0, 9, 6 and we will subtract that number, one number from this, that is 5, 3, 0, 0, 8 and we will subtract the number from this. This is the minus sign here. So students, you are seeing here that you are taken 6 from 8. Subtract 8 from 6. Subtract 8 from 6. But it's not possible. From 6 we can't subtract 8. So we are borrowing one number from 9. And that is, there is become as 8. If one number is borrowing and one number is borrowing there, that it becomes as 16. So 16 minus 8, that equals to 8 here. Now we are subtracting 0 from 8 and it's possible. So 8 minus 0 is equals to 8 and 0 minus 0, that equals to 0. Now we are subtracting here 9 minus 3. 3 is subtracting from 9. We can solve easily, that is equals to 6 and 7 minus 5, that equals to 2. We are getting here the number, the difference is 26,088. Yes, students. Now we will go to the next question. Now students, we will go to the question number second, and in question number second there is asking that find the difference. Find the difference means we have to subtract the questions, subtract the numbers here, and greater number is at the top position and the smaller number is in the lower position. So we will subtract this ones place digit. 3 is subtracting from 2. No, it can't possible. So take a number borrowing from this number and it becomes as 6 and this becomes as 12 number. So students, we are subtracting 12. We are subtracting here the 3 number from 12 and that equals to 9. Subtract 3 from 12, that is 9 here. Now we are subtracting here 5 from 6, that is equals to 1, and we are subtracting here 4 from 3. Is it possible? No, it can possible. So we will do here the borrowing number, that is this becomes as 3 and this becomes as 13. So 13 minus 4, we will get the answer here, that is 9 here. Now next thousands place, subtracting the thousands place, 3 minus 8. No, we can't subtract 8 from 3. So we can borrow the number from this number, that is there is the number 4 and there is the number, this is not possible, so there is the number 13 here. 13 minus 8, that is 8, that is 5 here. Now we will do the subtract here in the next place. 4 minus 2, that equals to 2, and 6 minus 1, that equals to 5 there. Okay students, now we will go to the next question. Subtracting the ones place digit, there is 0. It can't possible 8 subtracting from 5. No. So we will take the number, borrowing number from this, and here is the number 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7 there. Now we will go to the next place. 3 minus 4, is it possible? No. Now again taking borrowing number 1 from 8, then it becomes as 7 and 1 is borrowing, so this becomes as 13. 1300. 1300 is the number here. So 13 minus 4, that equals to 9 there. Now we are subtracting 5 from 7, that equals to 2 is there. Now we will go to the next place. 9 and 7, there are no numbers, so it can be written as well. Now we will go to the next question. 9 minus 7, that equals to 2. 5 minus 5, that equals to 0. Can we subtract 3 from 0? No. So we can borrow from this number. This number becomes as 8 and this number becomes as 10 number. So we will take here the subtraction 3 from 10, that equals to 7, and 8 minus 7, that equals to 1, and 9 minus 5, that equals to 4, and it becomes as well as the number. Now we will go to the next question. Same process. 8 minus 6, ones place digit, that is 2 here. 6 minus 8. No, it is not possible to subtract 8 from the number 6. So we can borrow the number. There is the number 3. We can borrow one number from this and it becomes as the number 16. 16 minus 8, that is 8 there. Now we are subtracting 3 and 6. 6 from 3, it is possible? No, it's not possible. So we will go to the next place and borrowing a number. There is the number 5. If we borrow from this number and it becomes as 30 number. 30 minus 6 is the number, yes, 7 here. Now we will subtract this number. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2, and there is the number 9 here. So students, we can solve all the difference questions, subtraction question like this. Now we will go to the next question, question number 3. In the question number 3, we will do these subtractions, but we have checked here that this answer is correct or not. So students, we are seeing here that how to check the answer, this is correct or not. Yes, let's see there the next question. Now students, let's see there the question number 3. Here is the question number 3. We have to perform the subtraction, but we have also checked the answers, it's right or not. Let's check there. There is the number given here which are taken as difference. So let's do their difference here. 9, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 5, 1. And we have to subtract the numbers. So we will see here the students that there is the number 7 minus 1. That is 6 here. Now we will subtract 4 minus 5. No, it can't possible. So we will take the number, borrow from this number, and it becomes the number 14. 100 is taken from the hundreds column, and 100s and 4 tens. That is 14 tens. And 14 tens minus 5 tens. That is 9 tens are there. Now we will have the 2 minus 2. 200s and 200s. This is subtracting here, the 0 hundreds are there. Now we will subtract here 9 minus 1. That is 8 here. Now students, we are seeing there, this is the minus, this is the subtrahend, and this is the difference here. Now students, for checking the answer, we will write both the values at this place, and we will get here the minus here. We will get here the minus here. So let's check both the values written as 8, 0, 9, 6 and 1, 2, 5, 1. 8, 0, 9, 6. We will add both the values. So let's see there, 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 4, 14, and 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 1, 9. And it will become as 9, 3, 4, 7. It means check there. Okay students, now if this number is as it is, then this will be the right answer. This will be the right difference here. So now we will go to the next part of this question. Let's see there. Now students, we will go to the next part, that is D part. In the D part, there is given the two numbers and we have to take the difference here. So what's the difference first? 10, 0 minus 9, not possible. So carrying one number from this, there is no number. One number from this, there is no number. One number carrying from this, no number is there. So we will carry here 10,000 from this number. So it becomes the 10,000. And this will become as 10. So one number subtracting from this, then it becomes as 9. And this will become as 10. One number subtracting from this, it will become as 9. One number subtracting from this number, it will become as 10, 9. And it will become as 10. So 10 minus 9, that equals to 1. 9 minus 9, that equals to 0. 9 minus 9, that equals to 0. And 9 minus 9, that equals to 0. And 8 minus 8, that equals to 0. And there is the number 1 here. Okay students, we will check here the answer here. Let's take first the subtrahend here. 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. And we will add the difference here. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 here. Now we will add both the numbers. 9 plus 1, 10. It becomes 1 carrying here. 9 plus 1, 10. It is carrying here 1. 9 plus 1, 10. It's also carrying here 9 plus 1, 10. It's carrying here 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And there is the number 1. This is as well as number. So it can be right difference here. Okay students, now we will do the next question, that's the part F here. We will subtract the first number 12 minus 9, that is 12 here and here is one number. So we will see here that there is answer 3. Now subtracting 1 and 8, there is not possible, so we are taking here the one number borrowing and this will become as 11 and there is the number 8. 11 minus 8, that is 3 here. Now 8 minus 7, that is 1 here. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 here. 4 minus 3, that equals to 1 here. 5 minus 4, that equals to 1 here. This is the number. Now we will have to check the answer. So first taking the subtrahend here, 4, 3, 1, 7, 8, 9. And now we will take here the difference here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3. Now we will check our answer here. 9 plus 3, that is 12 here, and 1 carrying number, 1 plus 8, 9 plus 3, 12 here, 1 is carrying here, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Is this number? 5, 4, 3, 9, 2, 2. This is same number. So, it's the difference is right there. Okay students, now we will go to the next question. Now, the next question is question number 4. There is asking that largest 5-digit number is this, we know well, and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. And we have to take here the difference between the digits, difference between these numbers. So, we will take here 9 minus 0, that equals to 9, 9 minus 0, that equals to 9, 9 minus 1, that equals to 8, and there is 9 and there is 9. So, this is the difference between these two numbers. Now students, we are going to discuss here the worksheet 6 here. In worksheet 6, there is the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Students, as you know well that we have done already that the properties of addition and same properties are used in the properties of subtraction here. Now there is the one property that is uses in this subtraction properties. So there is the property that if we add 0, if we subtract 0 to any number, then it becomes that number itself. Let's take the example 9 minus 0. 0 is subtracting from any number, it becomes always that number itself. And there is the next. Now students, there are the questions in worksheet 6. In worksheet 6, there is using the one property that if we add 0 to any number, it becomes the number itself, always. Let's see there, when we subtracting 0 from any number, it becomes the number itself. So 16 minus 0 it becomes as 16 there, right students? Now we will go to the next question, 78 minus 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, then the number itself as well as, that is 78. Now we will go to the next question. There is the number itself. So what will we subtract here? 0, obviously. If we subtract 0, then the number itself makes itself here. So 432 minus what? That it becomes the number itself. Number is the same here. So we will subtract here the number 0. And now there is the number we are subtracting that this number gets. When it will get the same number, then the same number is subtracting from same number, we will subtract 0, then it will get the same number. Now in the next question, what will we get here? Same number, then we get, if we subtract 0, then we will get the same number. So 1, 6, 8, 9 is there. Now we will go to the next question, 4, 5, 7, that minus, that is 0, is equals to 457. And now it becomes the same number, 6955. Both numbers are same. Both numbers are same here. So what will we subtract here? That is 0. Now 0 minus what number is 0? 0 minus 0. Same number, subtracting which number? 0. If there is same number, then subtracting here the number 0 here. Is it clear all students? This is the property, used property in the subtraction here. This is only the one property here. Now we will go to the worksheet 7 here. Now students, we are going to taken here the worksheet 7, and in worksheet 7 we are taken here the subtractions orally. In the orally subtraction, there are some patterns here that there are the zeros in the right side. There are the zeros in the right side in every number. And if we are seeing here that they are in the same group, this is in the tens group, this is in the tens group, same group, both the numbers are in the same group. Both the numbers are in the same group, then check the how many zeros in the right side. 1 0. So hence in the difference also. So there is 1 0. Now subtract the 6 tens place digits. 6 minus 2. That is 4. Is it clear students? Now we are taking here 0 0. 1 0. So putting in the difference also 0. Now we are subtracting here the tens place digit 4 minus 3, that is 1 here. Now we are seeing there the hundreds groups. Hundreds group. So in the there are the 2 zeros in the right side. So hence in the difference also 2 zeros in the right side. So 4 minus 2 is 2 there. This is the answer here. Now we will subtract here. Again, this is the hundreds group. Hundreds group, there are 2 zeros in the right side, so hence in the difference also 2 zeros. And subtracting 9 minus 4 hundreds place digit, subtracting here, that is 5 here. Now we will go to the next question. In this question, this is the thousands group is there. Thousands group, there are 3 zeros in the right side. So taken here 3 zeros in the difference also. And now subtracting the thousands place digit, 7 minus 4, that equals to 3. Now we will go to the next question. There are also this is the 10,000s group, and there are 3 zeros in the group. So we will take here the 3 zeros in the right first, and then subtracting these numbers, 27 minus 17, that is 10. 27 minus 17, that is equals to 10 here. So this will get here the number is. Now we will go to the next question. This is in the thousands group, and this is also in the thousands group. And there is thousands group. There are three zeros in the right side. So put the 3 zeros in the right side in the difference also. Now we will take difference 99 minus 9, and that is gets here the 90. It will get here the 90,000 difference. Now we will take here the tens grouping is there. So in the tens grouping, there is 1 digit at the right place, and 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 0 is at the right place, and 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 0 on the right place, and 7 minus 3, that is 4 here. 3 0 on the right side, so place 3 zeros on the difference here. 8 minus 3, that is 5 here. 3 zeros on the right side, so take here. Again here the 3 zeros on the right side in the difference also. 8 minus 6, that is 2 here. There are also the 3 digits zeros on the right side, so taken here. In the difference also the 3 digits here. 45 minus 4, that equals to 14. There are also the 3 digits in the right side, so taken here the 3 digits in the right side, and subtracting 6 minus 1 5, and 1 minus 1 0, it's not taken here, that is 5,000 here. Is it clear students? These are the orally taken as the questions. Take how many zeros and put the zeros in the difference, and then subtract that group's order, group's numbers. Tens groups, hundreds groups, thousands groups, thousands groups. Clear? Subtracting these numbers. Okay students, now we will go to the next one. Now students, we will go to the worksheet 8. In worksheet 8, there are the word problems related to subtraction. Now in the question number 1, there is given that number of plants in nursery are there, the 48,750 plants are there in the nursery. Now in the adjoining nursery, there are the number of plants are 51,257 plants are there. But we have to find that whose nursery has the more plants. Then adjoining nursery has more plants because it's the 50,000 here and there are the 40,000 here. So it's have the more plants, and how much more plants are there? By how much we have to take the difference in both the numbers, and larger is on the top and smaller is on the below to the top. So we are subtracting here 7 minus 0, that is 7, 5 minus 5, 0. 7 is not subtracted from 2, so we are taken the one number, borrowing from this number, and this becomes as 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5 here. And 0 minus 8, it can't possible, so we are taking one borrowing number from this number, and it will get here the number 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2 here, and 4 minus 4, that is 0. So 2,507 plants are there. Now we will go to the next question. Total population of the town is given as. Total population is given as, and the number of males are this. You have to find the number of females. Total population, males and females. You are given here the total. How many total population? And there is given that number of males are there, but we have to find the number of females. So we can subtract this from this number, then we will get here the number of females. Number of males are from 5,57,890. There are these the males, and we have to find the females here. So remaining number of population is the females here. So for the remaining amount, we have to find the subtraction here. So subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 8 not possible. So taken the borrowing number 4 is there, and there is 17. 17 minus 8, that is 9. Now 4 minus 9 not possible. So taken here the one borrowing number, that is 4 here, and 14 minus 9, that is 5 here, and 4 minus 2, that is 2 here. 2,49,720 females are there as we are doing the question. Now next question. Now students, there is the question number 3. How much more is this than this amount? How much more? This amount is how much more than this amount, this number? Then you are seeing here that this is a 14,000 plus something, and this is 16,000. Then how much more? It means this is the greater number and this is the lesser number. If we subtract both the numbers, then we can calculate the number by how much more. This is the more number. How much more? We have to calculate here the subtraction. 16,500 is the greater number, so on the top side, and 14,756 is at the below from this number. So subtracting this number, we will get here 10 minus 6, that is, we will taken here, this is 4. We will taken here from this, no number is there, so we will take from this number, that is, this is 4, and this is 10, and this is 10. 10 minus 6, there is 4 here, and 10 minus, there is the number 9 if we are taken here the number. So there is the number 9 minus 5, that is 4 here. 4 minus 7, it not subtracted, so can taking here the borrowing number 1 become as 14. So 14 minus 7, that is 7 here. 5 minus 4, that is 1 here. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. 1744 is more than this number. Is it clear, students? Now what must be subtracted from this to get this? We have to get this number, and there is the total number of both these numbers. What must be subtracted from this number to get this number? So for this we will do here the subtraction. If we subtract both the numbers, then we will get that number which will be subtracted from this to get this. Is it clear? Now we will subtract here 5, 2, 5, 8, 7, 3. 1, 7, 5, 6, 9, 3. We will subtract these numbers. This is 0 and 7 minus 9 not possible. So we can take borrow number from 8 and this becomes as 17. 17 minus 9, that is 8. Now we are subtracting 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 7 not possible. So taking again borrowing number 1 from this becomes 4 and this becomes as 12. 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. 4 minus 1, that equals to 3. This is the number here which must be subtracted from this, then this will get the number. Check here that this must be subtracted from this, we will get this number. Check here that 5, 2, 5, 8, 7, 3. This number must be subtracted, then we will get that number. Then check here 3, 5, 0, 1, 8, 0. We put this number on this number and we will take here the difference here. Now we will get this answer. It means this is the right here. Now this is 3 here. 7 minus 8 not possible. So we can take borrowing from 1. There is the 7 and there is the 17 number. 17 minus 8, that is 9. 7 minus 1, that is 6. And 5 minus 0, that is 5. 12 minus 5, 2 minus 5 not possible. So take borrow from this number and this is the 4 and this is as 12. 12 minus 5, that is 7. 4 minus 3, that is 1 here. So there is 1,75,693 and this will get the same number. So it means this answer is correct here, that what must be subtracted from this to get this. If we subtract both the numbers, we will get that number. We will check here that if we subtract this number from this, then we will get this number. Yes, we can get this number. So we can solve this question as this. Okay, students. Now this is the worksheet. This was the worksheet 8. So do all the work in fair notebook and do all the questions as revision also, because you have to solve all the questions without fair notebook. So students, do revision, and also next day is the Sunday, so you will do the revision of all the worksheet and of the chapter unit 2. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye students.